Hello, and welcome to week 3 of online learning, week of April 27th. I just wanted to check in and kind of show you around for what to expect next week for science. Monday, the 27th, ecosystems. Please read the instructions very carefully so you know what is expected of you going through each step. So step 2 is to open the food chain Google slide. So it will say if it's a slide, if it's a document, or a form throughout these lessons. So you will be opening up the Google slide. Each of you get your own copy to be able to navigate through. So what you're going to be doing is you are going to click and drag the following terms to the correct location on the food chain. So once you have watched the videos and done your research about the food chain, you will be able to just click on one of these and simply drag it over to the correct location. So these are just individual text boxes that you will be able to drag and drop onto the picture. Okay, and so once you're done, you will share that with me for participation grades. So I wanted to show you that Google slide to know how to navigate. This Google Doc you will be filling out. Again, it's one that you already have access to your own copy to be able to type in your answers. So you're going to go find an area near your home outside to list at least 5 biotic and 5 abiotic factors in an area near your home. Okay, so that is Monday. So you will be turning in 2 things for me on Monday. Day 2 on the 28th, you are going to do food webs and energy pyramid activities. Okay, so you will be watching a video. All the links are down here at the bottom, so you'll be watching this video. And then the food web and energy pyramid connect organisms. So you're going to watch this one. Okay, the titles are right here for each one in the directions. Read the Getting Along short article. So this is the Google Doc, and for this one you do have access to type in your answers. So very similar to last week, you're going to read the article and then scroll down and be able to type in your answers to turn that in for me. And again, you will already have access to be able to type in your answers for that one. Okay. So a lot of different just short little video clips and this Google Doc to type in your answers. This Google slide is walks you through different vocabulary for energy for you to just learn the vocabulary really, really well before completing the assignments for us. Okay, so back here, day 3 is Wednesday. So again, there are links down here. This Google Doc. Look at the energy pyramid carefully, read the text, and then answers the questions. So same format as the last one. You're going to read through and then answer the questions by just simply typing in your responses to submit that to us. Now the big thing to remember is you need to keep scrolling down because there is a second page for this one. And day 4 is You're going to be doing a little review on ecosystems, just on the vocabulary that we have been learning the last few weeks, taking a look at the illustration and listing all the producers, consumers, etc. From the picture. This is Ecosystems Challenge. It's a website that has a lot of fun games that you will be playing and interacting with. So you scroll down to the very bottom under Media Resources. So these 4 blue hyperlinks are where you can find the games. This is all in the directions if you read through it carefully. Okay, next Friday, May 1st, there's going to be no assignment posted because it's a day where teachers can go. We're going to be going into our classrooms to clean up, to get the rooms summer ready. So there's going to be no assignment for science next Friday. Okay, so there you go. Week of April 27th, there's 4 assignments for ecosystems. You can use Friday as a catch-up day if you fall behind on any of your assignments from the week. Have a great week.